Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mozzarella curd step by step. Heat 1 gallon of milk to 90 degrees F gently while stirring, then add dissolved citric acid and rennet as instructed. Hold the milk at target temperature until the curd sets firm, about 30 minutes. Cut the curd into 1-inch cubes, rest briefly, then gently cook to 105 degrees F while stirring to expel whey and firm the curd. Warm milk and additives must be handled gently to form a good curd. After adding diluted citric acid and rennet, stir with slow upward motions for 1 minute, then stop. Cover the pot and allow the milk to set without disturbance until the curd gives a clean break when tested. Patience here determines texture. Check the firmness before cutting to prevent overworking the curd and losing moisture. Once the curd is set, cutting and cooking will define the final cheese. Use a long knife to cut uniform 1-inch cubes, then slowly heat the curds to 105 degrees F while stirring gently to expel whey. Keep movements minimal to avoid crumbling. The curds should knit without becoming powdery. When curds are firm and hold shape, remove whey and allow curds to rest briefly before stretching or pressing to finish the mozzarella.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.